Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body begin to soften, your shoulders relax, your mind quiet. Bring your attention to the crown of your head and slowly scan downward. Notice any areas of tension in your forehead, your jaw, your neck. With every exhale, allow those areas to release and let go. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Imagine a gentle wave of light moving through your body. With each inhale, this light fills you with calm. With each exhale, it washes away stress and worry. Breathe in peace. Breathe out release. As you breathe, silently repeat, I am calm. I am safe. I am at peace. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes, bringing the calm energy with you into the rest of the day.